Migunda ya mahua ikoragwo ikihe andu aingi uboco guku bururi-ini aria riu makirie kugunika na njira huthu cia kuruga kuma kuri gikundi kimwe gitari gia githirikari. Makiria ma andu 4,500 aria marutaga wira migunda-ini ya mahua kaunti-ini ya Nakuru na Murang'a nio mekugunika na uteithio uyu muoroto ari kumanyihiria minoga miingi iria mageragira mirugire-ini yao ya oro muthenya.
We have received additional funding to continue with one of the projects targeting flower farm workers in Kenya.
Uteithio uyu wa gasi na mitambo ya solar ni guteithiriria na njira nene ari kunyihia utamangi wa miti no thukangia wa mititu na toguo tu no guteithiriria uthaitiri-ini wa maria maturigiceirie.
Particular, we will be supporting about 4,500 workers that are from flower farms that supply fair trade certified flowers to Aldi supermarket in Switzerland.
We look at the extra people, over 20,000 people are going to benefit from the same. We believe the program within the 5 years is going to change a lot and it is going to affect other counties.
Samuel Ng'ang'a ni shifo wa itura ria Karate mwena wa Naivasha na ni ugite hari bata honge makiria guka hamwe guteithiriria aruti a wira taya aria maikaraga na mitangiko miingi.
As we are talking of Murang'a and Nakuru County, but we look forward to these people because ni watu ambao wamekuja to stay in our areas. When they go back home, they are going to send the same gospel to those counties.
Mufango uyu uratongorio ni Arugamiriri duka cia indo cia Aldi kuma Switzerland, udumwe na ministry ya maundu ma nanja kuma bururi-ini wa Finland, uteithio ria ukite o riria Kenya magumirwo ni murigo muritu wa garama ya muturire. Girifotera Kameme TV retora kwa neno gari wa Kamau.